Hi, Chris Milkey here. We're already into December, another year almost in the books, the next one right around the corner. Hopefully, you're finishing the year strong, but at the same time, you've got one eye on 2023 and starting to think about your plan for what you want to accomplish in 2023. I always say, like, how can we make the next year the best one ever? I'm going to give you 5 ideas, things that I'm always thinking about as the next year starts. And I'm thinking about a lot of things, but I want to give you 5 that I believe can be impactful to you, your business, your life. So number 1 is, if you don't have a whiteboard, get a whiteboard. Whiteboards can be really super effective. I had a podiatrist that I was consulting with several years ago, and we were talking about different ways to increase revenue in the business. He wasn't doing a lot of orthotics, and I said, put the code L3000 on your whiteboard so that every time you come into the office, you see that. And sure enough, it didn't take long for his orthotic numbers to go up. And that thing on the whiteboard is just a reminder every single time. It almost becomes like subconscious. And if we don't do that, if we don't write things down and have things visual for us, oftentimes, we don't make those things happen. So whiteboards can be used for so many different things, so many ideas, goals, ways to, do office staff meetings, things like that. I believe a whiteboard is really, really helpful. The second one is what I call smile and dial. Smile and dial can be really super effective for marketing. What we do in our practice is we focus on plantar fasciitis patients. So we first send a letter to people that I've seen 6 months ago for plantar fasciitis. So real simple, just go into your practice management system, take out the code M72.2, and we send a letter to that list of people from 6 months ago. And then we have somebody from our office do what we call smile and dial. They pick up the phone and they call. And they connect with maybe 25% of the patients, but we always, every single month, we get patients on our schedule from that. Now, the first quarter of the year is always a little bit quieter for most practices. Perfect time to smile and dial, right? Getting one person, you want to get multiple, great, but one person who is better on the phone and can have those conversations, and then leave a nice message if they don't pick up. And you never know, some of them will call you back. And they do. There's always going to be a percentage of them. So it's a numbers game. Put it out there and you'll get some results from that. The third thing is, don't settle for amateurs in your business. We want professionals. We want a professional team, a team that's going to act like professionals, not amateurs. Amateurs show up late. Amateurs, have drama going on in the office. Amateurs, gossip. Amateurs, sometimes don't show up for work. We just can't settle for that. I just got rid of an amateur in my business, and I'm 31 years into this, and it's way easier for me to give the hook now than ever. And certainly, it's got to be somebody who's doing something wrong on multiple occasions. But it's just we can choose who we want around us. Choose professionals to work with, and your practice will be so much better. The fourth one: decide to get 100 more reviews in 2023. Don't set a goal. Goals are fine and everything. Decisions. Make a decision that you're going to do that. When you make a decision to do it, there's a much, much greater chance that you're going to get it done. And, do it with your team, of course, right? They're the ones who are going to be partly responsible and maybe mostly responsible for helping you get those reviews. Decide that you're going to get 100 reviews in 2023. And the fifth one, lifestyle. Block 1 week out per quarter for you, for vacation, for family, for hobbies, for whatever. 1 week. There's 13 weeks in a quarter. We can take 1 week per quarter. I don't care if you've been in practice for 5 years or 35 years. 1 week per quarter. It shouldn't be that difficult. So many times I've heard podiatrists who have done that and they've made as much, if not more money in that year. And, these were doctors who might have only been taking 2 weeks and thinking they couldn't take extra time off. And yet, when they took more time off, they actually did better. Being rejuvenated and really being there and being focused on what you're doing goes a long way towards being more productive. So, go do that now. Go. Go to your calendar, block out now. Block the time out now, because once it's there, you've made the decision again, right? It's not like, I have a goal, I want to take 4 weeks off. No. You can take 4 weeks off in 2023. Go plan it, 1 week per quarter, and I can tell you that your numbers will probably be as good, if not better. you'll feel better, your team will feel better, your family will feel better, your life will be better. And that's what this is all about. So do those 5 things, go block your schedule, and hopefully your 2023 is going to be awesome. We'll see you soon.